Hello everybody, my name is Gibson and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fire with just birch bark. It's super straightforward. Here we have birch bark and a ferrocerium rod, and I'm going to teach you how to get a fire going. So basically the most important thing is getting dry wood, and you want to sort it from big sticks to medium sticks to your really fine bird's nest kind of stuff. And once you've done that, once you've collected all your wood, basically all we're going to do is we're going to take our ferrocerium rod. Oh, I need a knife as well. Okay, here we have my TBS bore, and we're going to really fluff up, our birch bark. And the best way to do this, if I have a flat surface, is you just want to fluff it up so you get these kind of like shavings from it that are going to just catch easier. Be careful not to go all the way through, because then your stuff is just going to completely miss. Okay, so once you've fluffed up your birch bark, we'll just have that there ready. We're going to want to take our ferrocerium rod and just take off some shavings from it. Not igniting it, just put some shavings on there, so then when we do hit a spark, it's going to, work out properly. There's some smoke there we go. And it's that simple really. Birch bark is an amazing tool to have. And then we're going to put our small sticks on. We're gonna, just let it do its thing. Nice and smoky. If you concerned about smoke, don't use a green wood. Using green wood will that's what is smoking right now. Here we go. We've got some sticks coming on fire. Save that bit of birch bark if we're not using it. Alright, we're just going to let that do its thing. Okay, brilliant. And then, now we're going to put on our medium sticks. This is going to smoke a lot, because this is all dead wood, all green dead wood. But it should catch. We haven't had much rain recently. It's important not to smother a fire, so maybe I should have put them on, every now and then, but I'm not concerned. If it was wet weather, I would have been a lot more careful. I probably would have used more birch bark. And we're just going to let this kind of die down, reduce the coals, and then we're going to start adding some bigger sticks. Well, not the coals, sorry, just so it's a bit lighter. Okay, perhaps I'll put on some big sticks. There we go. And that's all there is to it really. Birch bark's a really easy material to work with. If you've got an abundance of it, it will light when wet. And I mean, you don't have to use a ferrocerium rod, obviously you can use a matches, lighter. Lighters will fail you. Ferrocerium rods won't. Storm matches are good. But yeah, there you go. That's how to get a fire going in less than 5 minutes.